Hello everybody, this is Beanie from Terrasis Market Technician. Today I'd like to share with you one of the trades that I've done yesterday on the 26th, and it's now rolling at about 198 pips, going to about 200 pips as you can see. On a standard contract, I'm now looking at a profit of about 2000 plus USD. Well, just to let you know is that on the 26th I was really very busy for a presentation in the evening. I didn't even have time to look at the screen. But lucky with Tflow predictive techniques, I was able to predict the price that I need to get in for sterling franc. So on the 22nd of October, which was last week Friday, I've already keyed the order at about 5 p.m. 25th on Monday, no, it doesn't trigger. 26th, no, it doesn't trigger. And it was only triggered at about 26 at 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Now, once I was triggered at the same time, because I've already predefined my stop loss, which is my maximum loss, this will be the loss that I'm looking at. So I'm looking at the loss of about 30 pips. Alright, this will be my maximum loss. Now the good thing about Tflow is we are able to predict the future profit target, which also means that I have already keyed in what is my target, which is my TP up here. Now let's take a look at what's my TP. Now if you can shift, it's all the way up here. I'm looking at to square my trade at about 1.58. So I'm looking at about another 200 pips more. That means my trade, if I hope so, can be clocking about 400 pips. I really hope that it can do so. Well, how do I do it? Let me just show you how we can use Tflow to predict what will be the profit target. As you can see, I make my entry around here. Let me just turn to draw some lines for you. That was my entry. How we use Tflow to predict, we use Fibonacci, but as a special setting in the Fibonacci. So let me just draw the Fibonacci for you. I draw from here to here. Alright, can you see all the predicted targets coming in? Okay, now this trade I've done my calculation. I'm not looking at the third predicted target. In fact, I'm looking at the next predicted target to come in, which is about 1.58. Just pull down the screen. Alright, you can see 1.5829 is what I predicted to be my profit target. So from my entry point to here, that's about a 400 pips movement. Okay, now an update of my trade on the CAD Yen, which I've done that also on the 22nd of October. Let's look at CAD Yen. As you can see, my order for the CAD Yen was here. I've entered here. Again, I've said that I key in a pending order, which is earn while you sleep. At here, you can see that once I key in, my order was triggered. Well, the good thing about earn while you sleep is that your loss is minimum, meaning that you are really buying near to the rock bottom, and when you are selling, you are really selling all the way to the top. Alright, so your reward to risk ratio is very important. We call that reward to risk ratio. So my reward in this case I've already defined. I'm looking at a potential target of about 120 pips. That's my reward. But my stop loss was already at break even, which means that my stop loss before I've entered was about 30. But right now, because I'm winning already, so I've already shifted my stop loss above. This is to say that even if price is to come down, I will still make a profit. I won't lose a single cent. And this is what it's all about Tflow, because Tflow is very protective about your profit and about your losses. You don't want to clock a lot of losses, and at the end of the day, just make very little. Alright, this is an update on two of my trades. The sterling franc, I'm clocking about 2000 plus USD over just one day. Cat yen not doing very well because it's just clocking about 600 plus USD from last Friday till now. But I did square various good trades yesterday, about 127 pips, about 1000 plus dollars for the cable, the sterling versus the dollar, and also another previous trade on euro about 100 pips. That was a nice one. Alright, I will update again when I have more trades to show you how Tflow is being done. Thank you.